DJ Delz.
Funko Pop addicts, what's good? It's your boy DJ Delz hitting you with a close-up HD review on Rudy. Bang that thumbs up button for that out of the box look, and let's take Rudy out of the box. And there he is out of the box. Awesome Funko Pop. Definitely a must-have if you grew up in this era. Classic football movie. One of the great football movies for sure. There is a side profile. There's a look at his back. And there's a look at his other side. And one more close-up look. And if you didn't bang that thumbs up button, please do so, because it really motivates me to keep recording these Funko Pop videos. So do that. Leave a comment. Let me know what's good. Leave a comment. If you have nothing to say, just write "I love Funko." It helps my channel out. YouTube gathers all that information and will recommend my videos to more Funko fanatics, Funko addicts, Funko fans out there. And there you go with a close-up HD look at Rudy. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will link him in the description box below if you're looking for him, along with the pre-orders of Michael Jordan, Rick James, LeBron James, and there's so many other Funko Pops, including Rudy, of course, available right now. There's a whole new line of Star Wars Funko Pop. There's new UFC Funko Pops that are available now. There's like so many. I'm just going to list a whole bunch in the description box below. Guaranteed mint condition, and they don't charge you until the actual Funko Pop ships. For your convenience, I will link all that in the description box below. And thanks for tuning in. Much love. If you're new here, subscribe. And if you're just hanging out, watch more of the videos. We've got tons of Funko Pop content and more here at the Delz Show. And if you love podcasts, I do have a podcast at patreon.com/DJ Delz. That will be linked in the description box below, along with my Funko inspired t-shirt. Much love out there. We out.